Forget background magic, VFX is the heartbeat of modern entertainment. Blockbusters, streaming series, and global brands all rely on jaw-dropping visuals to survive. Right now, the industry is booming. Studios are fighting for elite artists to build these worlds. But there's a critical gap in the market.
Ready to create cinematic magic? Welcome to the Ultimate Visual Effects Diploma.
Our VFX program gives you real-world production skills. We cover the entire digital pipeline, starting with the fundamentals of CGI and compositing. Master the art of the perfect green screen. You'll dive deep into chroma keying, rotoscoping, and seamless matte creation. Blend reality with digital art. We teach precise camera tracking, MatchMoving, and breathtaking digital matte painting. Create epic dynamics. Generate highly realistic particle effects like raging fire, flowing smoke, rain, and massive destruction. Perfect your CGI workflows by integrating 3D elements, matching lighting, and blending shadows directly into live-action footage. Set the ultimate cinematic mood with professional color correction and high-end color grading techniques for your VFX shots. You'll learn the exact industry-standard stack used by top studios. You will work on real-time projects simulating a high-end studio environment. With these skills, you'll be ready for amazing jobs in film production, TV serials, advertising, and high-end simulations.
We help you curate a stunning professional showreel and provide placement assistance to kickstart your career. Don't just watch the magic, create it.
Learn, create, get hired.